Hey YouTubers, TJ here. Making a lift hook or lift bracket for my water table for my plasma cutter for the water tray. I just want to show you this cool cutter. I think it's about 1 inch in diameter. This hole doesn't mean anything because I'm going to weld this part to the table. I'll probably plug weld that hole. But I need to make a kind of a big slot here. As you can see, where I blue dyed it and described a point where I need to estimate where I go. As long as my hooks fit in there for my my hoist I have a I-beam in the garage, and I want to lift my table up because I need to get under it, and you know, it's a pretty big table, it's pretty heavy. So this will allow me, I made 4 of these, I already have 2 welded on. This will allow me to, you know, just make life easier and lift it up. But this cutter is really cool because you can plunge with it, and as soon as you plunge with it, you can, you know, I have the ways locked right now, both X and Y, and then once I plunge and I get through it, I will unlock the X and just keep the Y locked and move over and finish my cut. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film this whole thing, but I'm going to try. So let me just get some juice on here and give it a plunge. I don't know, I have the speed set around less than 500. I don't want to go super fast with this because I don't think it's a carbide cutter, but it actually, this cutter's lasted me pretty long. I don't want to you know, mess it up. So here we go. Plunge down. And make sure my ways are locked here. Double check. Get some more juice. We'll give it some more juice. Slow it down a little bit more. There we go. We'll finish this plunge cut here. Okay, now I have it plunged. Now I'm going to unlock the X and cut towards me. Gotta keep it moving. This is 1/4 inch, I think, hot rolled plate. Not the best machining stuff, but this cutter cuts it like butter. Almost to the end now. Looks like we're good. Come up, lock the quill, and we're done. Took about a minute or two, and we're all set. And I just got to round the corners here on my sander and weld it onto my table. So anyways, thanks for watching. This is how I cut my slots. Where I don't know how you guys do it, but this cutter is great for doing the big slots and making hook holes. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or visit my Instagram site, it's TJS Performance. Thanks for watching.